When do you think we, not just you, we as a society became digital natives?
I think that as a society, started to become digital native when we thought about work in that interface, right? Like we defaulted to searching online for an answer when we defaulted to making a connection on Facebook and instead of real life. I think that when it starts to get integrated into your life and into your workflow, it feels like a native response, a way of working, a way of living, where it's very much integrated in what you do and how you do it.
Yeah. Well, let me add some color. In when I had was doing the first company with 1999 2000, this was the dot com time. I swear there were people who thought we were digital natives back then because we had website and we had email. And when I saw social media rise and cloud rise and a lot of the foundational things that we take for granted today rise in 2005 to 2010, everybody around me was like, oh, we're digital native, we're on cloud, we're social, we don't call, we don't even email, we use social. And then the rise of mobile happened. And then in 2015, we're like, we are really digital natives now. I would submit to you that we did not become digital natives till after COVID.
What was it about COVID that made us digital native?
It forced you to rethink everything you do every day in a digital first way. What does a classroom look like? What does work look like? What does eating out look like? What does shopping look like? And COVID, in my humble opinion, was the biggest digital transformation catalyst. And so I asked you this question because this is something I hear and I respond to multiple times. Most people use the word AI native very loosely, and I don't. I feel like we are with AI in a situation that's similar to where we were with digital back in 1999 or 2000. We haven't really understood or experienced AI nativity. So that's the first point I want to make. When I say AI native, that's what I mean. There's a transition, there's a journey, it's going to happen. I couldn't tell you whether it's happening in 12 months, 24 months, or 10 years. I don't know the catalyzing events, but I know it's going to happen. And when we talk about the book, we use the word AI native, that's what I mean. That destination when everything you do will be AI natives. We rethink everything. That's a day, if you're a company, if you're a human being, if you are working today, that's a day you got to be thinking about. Because the transition might have a lot of lefts and rights, but this is where we're going. Now, how do I know that? Because if you look at every step of the evolution that businesses have gone through and consumers have gone through, and I've profited by creating enterprise software companies, at least in a couple of those big turns. It was a very simple telling sign. When you figure out how technology can remove friction and create value, it's going to take off. So think about when you had email, remove a friction, letter writing, sending, go to the post office, removal of friction, creation of value, instantaneous delivery of messaging. I knew it was going to take off. When you look at social and mobile, same exact thing. It's removal of friction, you can call it convenience, and creation of value. Those two are deadly together. And every time you see that happening, when you see a technology shift happening that's going to enable that, then you know consumers will adopt it. There'll be big consumer companies first, and then enterprise companies will follow because you figure out how to apply it here. They're more risk averse, and it's a different ball game in the enterprise, so that's going to happen.